Imagine a world where inanimate objects have a chance to speak. Yes, you heard it right. Chandigarh University is bringing forth an event for you, giving reasons for designers, developers, makers, and self-proclaimed problem solvers.
Chandigarh University is giving the Internet of Things a nice warm welcome by inviting you to be a part of its creation during the 48-hour hackathon. Hosted by Geeks Up and IEEE student branch of Chandigarh University. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself and don't miss on this opportunity to be a part of World IoT Hackathon.